Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh RSS General Secretary Dattatreya Hosabale has asserted that the central government has taken several administrative steps to bring a normalcy in Manipur, which has raised hopes for restoring peace in the region. Speaking to media during Akhil Bharatiya Pratinidhi Sabha ABPS, which was conveyed at Bengaluru in Karnataka yesterday, RSS General Secretary Dattatreya Hosabale expressed gratitude that the government has addressed the current situation of Manipur and that the people are feeling some relief. He also hoped for more actions from the government to restore normalcy in Manipur, while highlighting that the state government is currently put under suspended animation. Furthermore, Dattatreya also highlighted various initiatives taken up by central government, such as people voluntarily surrendering weapons and opening up of national highways. He further urged the central government to make decisions based on its own assessment to resolve Manipur issue.
Yes, there should be something. We have not said this should be the step or action or that should be the. We have suggested address the incident issues and the situation of Manipur immediately. We have not demanded whether this particular action should be taken or not. That is for the government, and on the basis of their assessment, they have taken a decision. They have clamped the president rule. They have kept the in suspension, and they have taken some administrative actions in the form of, for example, disarming the people, opening the highways. There are many such administrative things they have taken up. So I think because of that, some hope have been raised. So we are happy that the government has addressed the situation, and people are also now feeling, because the Manipur people have come here, they are telling at least there is some succor now. So let us hope there will be more such actions on the part of the government, and the different sections of the society in Manipur, they will live harmoniously. So this is what we have expressed.